let's have a look at a couple of functions. The first one, y is equal to ex. We know that the derivative is the same thing, because what we're really doing is this. We just write the function again, ex, and then times the inner derivative of this thing here, the expression with x up here in the exponent. And the derivative of x is just 1. So what we do really is multiplying with 1. But ex times 1 is ex, so that's why we just keep it like this. Ex is the function and the derivative is the same, ex. Let's do this one. We know that it's always the same thing, e to the power x plus 5, and then the chain rule, so the times the inner derivative. And the derivative of x is 1 plus 5, and the derivative of 5 is nothing. So it's 1 plus 0, which is 1. So this is also times 1, which doesn't change anything. So the derivative is ex. This one, the chain rule will give us the inner derivative of this is going to be 2, because the derivative of 2x is 2. So we have to multiply the whole thing with 2, and we can write it before here. So 2 times e 2x. Let's have a look at this one. It's going to be the expression. The inner derivative is, this is going to be 5, and minus 7 is nothing. So we have to multiply with 5. I'm just going to write the 5 in front. 5e to the power of 5x minus 7. So look at this. The derivative of this function is always the same thing, and then sometimes it's a number or an expression that we have to have. That's the inner derivative, and we usually write it here in front of the function. E to the power of minus 3x, so it's the same thing, e to the power of minus 3x, and then the inner derivative is going to be minus 3. So I'm just going to write minus 3. Remember that there's really a multiplication sign here, but we don't write it out. So it's really minus 3 times e power minus 3x. But we just say and write it out, minus 3e to the power of minus 3x. What's the inner derivative here? The chain rule gives us, let's see, this is going to be 2x and then plus 3. So how about I write this here within brackets, 2x plus 3 times, the bracket is the same thing, is multiply, and then e, let's see if I can fit this, to the power of x2 plus 3x